Welcome to the Selfomy One tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through how to accept an invitation to join a company, an important step to complete staff role assignment in the system. First, open your email inbox and look for an email titled "You have been invited to join a company." Then, click the Accept the Invitation button to get started. Once you click the link, you'll be redirected to the login page. Here, you can choose one of the following sign-in methods. Option 1. Sign in with OTP. Simply enter the same email address that received the invitation. The system will send a one-time password to your email. Enter the code to complete the login. Option 2. Sign in with a Selfomy account. If your invited email is a Google account, you can choose Sign in with Google for quicker access. If you don't have a Selfomy account yet, click Register, verify your email, and create a new account to continue. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll officially be added to the company with your assigned role. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out more Selfomy tutorials to get the most out of the platform.